Dear students, welcome to online class. I am Parveen Kumar. The topic about which we are going to discuss is the figures of speech. Dear students, total 4 marks questions are asked in this topic. Therefore, I request you to be very serious. Now let's start the topic. The topic is figures of speech. Figures of speech is called alankar in Hindi. Now, the definition of figures of speech may be: a figures of speech is a deviation from the ordinary use of words in order to increase their effect. Dear students, there are many definitions of figures of speech and one of them is written here. Dear students, as you know, in English, however, there are many figures of speech, but in the syllabus of intermediate, only 7 figures of speech are prescribed. Therefore, we have to discuss about only 7 figures of speech. First is simile in Hindi upama alankar. Second is metaphor in Hindi rupak alankar. Third is personification in Hindi manvikaran alankar. Fourth is oxymoron in Hindi virodhabhas alankar. Fifth, apostrophe in Hindi sambodhan alankar. Sixth, hyperbole in Hindi atisayokti alankar. Seventh, onomatopoeia in Hindi ध्वनि सूचक अलंकार. Now, the first point, simile. In Hindi, it is called upama alankar. The first definition of simile is: a simile is a comparison between two objects of different kinds which have at least one point in common. Words as, like, or so are used for comparison. Second definition: in simile, two unlike things are explicitly compared, especially using like, so, and, as, etc. But they should have at least one point in common. Dear students, here hint is given, and with the help of the hint, I am trying to teach you about the definition. A and B, there are two different types of objects, and they are being compared with the help of like, as, so. Now take first example. Life is like a dream. Here life is object A, dream is object B, and both the objects are being compared with the help of like. Second example, sea is as fresh as dew. Sea is object A, dew is object B, and both the objects are being compared with the help of as. And the second condition that is very important, they should have at least one point in common. The objects will be differ, but one quality between them should be similar. Now, sea and dew are different types of objects. They are being compared with the help of as, and both the objects have similar quality, and the quality is fresh. Now, third example, our soldiers are as brave as lions. Soldiers, object A, lions, object B, comparison words as, and the similar quality is brave. Fourth example, the water well was as dry as bone. Water well object A, bone object B, comparison word as again, and the similar quality dry. Now the second point, metaphor. A metaphor is an informal or implied simile in which words like, as, so are omitted. Dear students, omitted means are not used. The second definition is a metaphor. In a metaphor, a comparison is made between two different things without using like, so, and as, etc. Dear students, in simile, like, so, and as are used. But in metaphor, these words are not used when we are going to compare two different types of objects. Now take hint. A and B are different types of objects. They are being compared, but they are equivalent to each other. Now take the example. Life is a dream. Life is object A and dream is object B. The camel is the sheep of desert. The camel is object A, the sheep object B, and they may be equivalent to each other. The same is life is but a walking shadow. Here is life object A, here is object B, shadow. Fourth one is love is the spice of life. Love object A, spice object B. They may be equivalent. All the words A stays. Here words object A and here stays object B. They may be equivalent. Now the third point. Third point is personification. The first definition is in personification, lifeless objects and abstract ideas are the thought as persons having life. Dear students, here lifeless objects and abstract ideas are represented as if they are having the quality of living one. The second definition is personification is an attribution of personal nature, intelligence, or character to inanimate objects or abstract notions. Examples: a lie has no legs. Pay your attention. A lie can be said abstract ideas, has no legs, representing as the personality, as the characteristics of a human being. The same is here. The death lays his icy hands. That again abstractions. Here his icy hands again giving the quality or making relation with any living one. Let not ambition mock their useful toil. Third example. The same is here. Anxiety is sitting on her face. And fifth one, opportunity knocks at the door but once. Thus, today we will discuss only about 3 topics and 3 points, and all the remaining 4 points will be discussed tomorrow. Dear students, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.